Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well. So for my slide, I did the technology with augmented reality using Jigspace, and there's my link to my proficiency is Jigspace. So my targeted learners content area, I was thinking would be third grade science. My lesson objectives was the learning target while using Jigspace is to give students a chance to interact with the solar system in front of them. And then while they're interacting, they'll be able to test their knowledge on the planets and what each one looks like. And so my lesson context is in the middle of a unit as a science rotation. My goal of the technology use is to give students a chance to interact with the solar system instead of simply just learning about it and viewing it um, with pictures in class. And they'll be able to test their knowledge and enhance their understanding and knowledge of the solar system through the interactive app. I think the app is probably more fun than just like looking at pictures on the projector. And then a brief description of how it'll be used with students. So during science on this day, students will be taught about the solar system, like what planets it contains, what each of them look like, and what order they're in, etc. And then during their science rotation at the Jigspace station, students will be given a worksheet to fill out about the solar system. And then they will use Jigspace to interact with the planets, learn about their structure, what they're made up of, and answer the questions on the worksheet. So I chose this technology proficiency because it was my favorite one. I wish that when I was in third grade, we had an option to really interact with space like we were astronauts rather than just learn about it and take a test on it. So I think this is a great way to enhance students' learning and encourage them to just be active participants in their learning.